Welcome the our channel. Today we how to create a workflow with Airtable, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open Airtable and sign in to your account. Create a new base by selecting add a base from your workspace. Choose a template or start from scratch by selecting start from scratch. Name your base according to your project needs. Once your base is created, you'll see a default table. You can rename this table by clicking on the table name. Add fields to your table by clicking on the plus icon beside the last column. Select the field type that suits your data, like single line text, checkbox, or date. Rename each field according to the data you'll be tracking. To add your first record, click on the empty row under your fields. Fill in the fields with relevant information for your project. You can add additional rows for more entries as needed. Next, create a new view to organize your data. Click on the Grid View option at the top left. Select Create a new view and name it based on your requirements. In your new view, you can apply filters to focus on specific data. To do this, click on the Filter button and set your criteria. Another useful feature is grouping your records. Click on the Group button and select the field you want to group by. Now your records are organized by the selected category. Next, automate your workflow using Airtable's automation feature. Click on Automations in the top menu. Choose Create an Automation to start setting it up. Select a trigger for your automation, like when a record is created. Then, choose an action based on what you want to happen next. You can send an email, update a record, or create new records as actions. After configuring your automation, remember to toggle it to on. To collaborate with team members, invite them to your base. Click on the Share button at the top right corner. Enter their email addresses and select the permission level. Now your team can view and edit your workflow in real time. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.